This is Financial Literacy, Part 2, numbers 21 through 40. Number 21, which of the following is an act of identity theft? A, receiving permission to use a parent's credit card for school clothes. B, wrongfully acquiring and using someone's personal identification. C, taking the identity of another individual as an inspiration for a costume. You can stop at this point and think about your answer and fill it in, and then move on to the next question by pressing play. 22. An individual can decrease the risk of fraudulent use of their credit cards by A, carrying all credit cards in their wallet so they do not get lost. B, signing the back of the card with the signature and "Please see ID." Or C, giving out account information over the phone rather on the internet. Turn the page. Number 23. Chris has just discovered that he has been a victim of identity theft. What should he do to resolve the theft? A, file a police report. C, contact one of the 3 credit bureaus. Or D, all of the above. 24. If a credit card is used fraudulently, what is the cardholder's personal liability for the unauthorized charges? A, the cardholder has no liability for authorized charges if they were reported within 60 days. I would go with unauthorized charges in that statement. B, the cardholder's liability will vary depending on the amount that was charged to the card. Or C, the cardholder liability is limited to $50 for unauthorized charges if they are reported within 60 days. Back to A, keep the authorized charges in that sentence. 25, which of the following is not included in an individual's credit report? A, current and past address. C, bankruptcies and foreclosures. D, medical information, which is not included in a credit report. 26. A consumer will develop a positive credit history if they A, pay phone and utility bills with cash. B, maintain a reasonable amount of credit. C, pay cash for the majority of purchases. Or D, all of the above. How do you develop a positive credit history? 27. A low credit score will affect an individual financially because the A, interest rate of loans will be lower. B, purchase price of an item will be higher. D, the interest rate of loans will be higher. 28. Jenny is 18 years old and has applied for credit for the first time. Her credit application was declined because she had no credit history. What should Jenny do to begin to build positive credit history? A, acquire a small loan from a depository institution. B, obtain a credit card with a co-signer. C, obtain a secured credit card. Or D, all of the above. 29. How can a cardholder avoid paying interest on a credit card? A, pay minimum balance every month. B, pay the balance in full every month. C, only use a credit card for balance transfers. How do you avoid paying interest? 30. If a credit card is used properly, what benefits does it have for the cardholder? A, the cardholder will pay higher interest rates on other forms of credit, and remember we're looking for benefits. B, the cardholder will develop a positive credit history. Or D, there are no benefits for the cardholder. 31. Only making the minimum payment on a credit card every month will A, only pay a small percentage of the total balance owed. B, make the final amount paid higher than the amount initially charged to the account. C, result in a slow progress toward paying off the total balance on the card. Or D, all of the above. Stop here if you need to. Finish up that page before turning to the next page. Press play when you're ready to go. 32, the type of insurance that is the minimum required by law for automobiles is A, medical payment, C, liability insurance, or D, underinsured motorist insurance. The minimum required by law for insurance for automobiles. Number 33, health insurance coverage usually excludes A, cosmetic surgery, B, routine medical procedures, C, prescriptions. Which one doesn't it count or doesn't it include for number 33? Number 34, renter's insurance is not required, but it is a good idea because B, it will protect themselves from the damage caused by guests. C, it will protect the renter from being evicted. D, the landlord's insurance does not cover the renter's personal possessions. 35, Tiffany was recently involved in a vehicle accident. In order to get her car fixed, her insurance company is requiring her to pay the first $500 of the repair bill because B, her policy's deductible is $500. C, she will be reimbursed by the insurance company later. D, the cost of the repairs is higher than her policy covers. $36, the maximum amount an individual should pay for the purchase of a home is B, 2.5 times his or her annual household income. C, 1/3 of his or her annual household income. Or D, there is no limit on the amount an individual should pay for a home. 37, the equity that you build by making mortgage payment is A, the value of the home after the mortgage debt is subtracted, C, a home loan where the real estate is the collateral, or D, the amount of money paid on the home at the time of purchase. In this section, we're going to change it. I'm just going to read 38 and 39, and we'll start the third part on number 40. 38, the base price that is quoted is the price of the car, A, from which the dealer will negotiate with the buyer, B, with only standard equipment, no extra options, D, with the most popular options to attract consumers. A cosigner is a person who is A, applying for a loan, C, loaning money to the consumer, D, guaranteeing a loan repayment for the original borrower. We'll start at number 40 in the third part.